Had a couple of days of pretty steady rain here. It finally seems to have abated. So I wasn't out here much. I did bring some corn out on occasion for them, but I missed hanging out with them, but I won't stand out here in the rain. And there's more over here. I believe I saw Andre down there at the far area a minute ago. It was a male fawn and large, unless there's a buck that I haven't made yet. As a buck, it must have been Andre. There's a little fawn there. It's either tiny or its sibling. The other one's down below, I think. I missed you guys. I missed hanging out with you. And I always feel so bad for you when it rains like that. You got nowhere to get away from it. Just go into deep cover, and I know that only provides minimal protection. All right, there, Mama. Hi, big girl. I missed you. Yeah, you're red. The cardinal chirping back behind me. Put out bird seed, and the turkeys came and ate it all. Well, they were here when I got home from the store and waited for me to put it out, then ate a good deal of it before they left. All right, I'm just blathering now. It's all right, sweetie, just the neighbors.